This is the best ice cream I've ever had.
Oh, that's right. Houston, we've got a situation. It's a brand
It's been a busy week. I hope you had a good week. We're gonna take my Porsche 992 for a drive and get over 100 miles on it and smooth, easy break-in miles. And I'm gonna show my girlfriend the car. She's never been in it. Only little Kainoa was in it. And let's go see what it sounds like when I start it. First cold start. First you gotta unlock it, get the door. I fit in it. Yeah. New car smell. 98 miles I've put on it. Gosh, I'll probably put 30 on it right now to go get cat food. Can you think of a better way to go get cat food than, I gotta take the Porsche out of the garage, drive it to the city that's next door. Oh wait, the brake, see, we gotta push. It's very strange because usually it's like under here, but it's here. So, I don't know. Sport mode, that way we get the muffler sound, and okay, and then the other thing that's kind of neat here, if you can you see that? So I figured out how to customize this one, so you can change your view. Under the customized view, like the general one, just shows these 4 things, you know, your range, the oil temperature, oil pressure, battery. But if you change it to where it says customized, which I didn't customize, but maybe you can customize more, it has turbo boost, and then it has water temp versus oil temp, which is awesome. So I was really thrown off because there's no physical gauge for that. Now, you want to know my weirdest thing I have about the car? This is really like a weird thing. My only negative thing that I'm going to do today. There's a clock right there. It's 1:31 in the afternoon. There's a clock right here. 1:31 in the afternoon. There's a clock right there, 1:31 in the afternoon. I don't think I need that many things telling me what time it is. So some things make me think that whoever designed that doesn't own one of these. Same thing with the cup holder. Whoever designed this cup holder thing doesn't own one and didn't own one from before. That's my opinion. Or they definitely don't drive stick. But did you hear it? The swirly swirl of the turbos. Let me slow down. So 2,000 RPM, third gear. That just brings a smile. So where you live, do they have a candy cane lane?